guys, my name is Agus Septiadi with NIM J1C023034. I will make a video with the title about diabetes health education. Diabetes is a chronic disease that occurs because of high blood sugar level due to a lack of insulin or the body being unable to as it properly. There are three main types: type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. Symptoms include frequent diarrhea, frequent urination, and ones that are difficult to heal. Prevention includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, maintaining an ideal body weight, and avoiding smoking. If in managed, diabetes can lead to serious complications such as nerve damage, heart disease, and kidney disorder. Check your blood sugar regularly for early detection and consult a doctor if needed. Conclusion: diabetes is a disease caused by high blood sugar with type 1, type 2, and gestational. Prevention is stop a heart lifestyle exercise and weight control. Without proper management, it can lead to serious complications. Thank you for waiting, guys.